DJI Air 3 drone. First up, we've got the DJI Air 3 drone. This state-of-the-art drone brings dual primary cameras to the table, providing exceptional versatility and control over your shots. The wide-angle camera captures stunning landscapes, while the 3x medium telecamera allows you to get closer to your subjects with precision. The DJI Air 3 is all about extended flight time, boasting an incredible 46 minutes in the air per charge. This means you can take your time getting the perfect shot or capturing multiple scenes in one session without constantly landing to recharge. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing helps you navigate safely, avoiding unexpected collisions. The drone features fisheye lenses at the front and back, as well as binocular lenses on the bottom, offering a comprehensive view of its surroundings. With a transmission distance of up to 20 kilometers and support for 1080p or 60 fps live feeds, this drone is perfect for both beginners and pros. Its advanced transmission technology ensures that you can fly farther and capture more breathtaking footage. If you're looking for your next favorite drone, check out the DJI Air 3. SECURAM EOS Smart Door Lock. Next up is the SECURAM EOS Wi-Fi Fingerprint Smart Door Lock. This high-tech lock brings the ultimate in convenience and security to your front door. With one-touch fingerprint recognition and robust 128-bit AES encryption, the SECURAM EOS ensures your home remains secure and accessible only to those you trust. Say goodbye to cumbersome keys. Unlock your door with a simple touch of your finger, or use the SECURAM Guard app to control the lock from anywhere in the world. Whether you're home or away, you can monitor and manage your door's status, making it an ideal solution for a modern, connected home. The lock's built-in Wi-Fi means you don't need an additional hub, streamlining your setup process. Its weather-resistant design ensures it can withstand rain, snow, and even intense sun exposure, making it a reliable companion for any climate. Create and send one-time access codes for friends, family, or guests, and set date-based codes for rental properties with ease. The SECURAM EOS offers unmatched security and convenience for modern living. Leap Wireless SSD. Now let's talk about transforming the way you transfer data with the Leap Wireless SSD. This all-in-one storage solution combines speed, capacity, and convenience to elevate your data management experience. With Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, the Leap Wireless SSD offers data transfer speeds of up to 900 Mbps, allowing you to quickly upload and download files without delays. Additionally, Thunderbolt 3 connectivity provides lightning-fast data transmission speeds of up to 2,400 Mbps for a seamless experience when connected to compatible devices. The mobile app offers an intuitive interface for accessing all of the Leap's functions and data. Whether you need to manage your files or check storage capacity, the app keeps you in control at all times. The Leap features an impressive 4 TB storage capacity, providing ample room for all your important files, photos, and videos. Its multi-level user management feature allows up to 10 simultaneous users to access the device, making it perfect for collaborative work or sharing media with friends and family. The compact, lightweight design ensures portability, making it easy to take the Leap with you on the go. The device's 256-bit AES encryption technology keeps your data secure, so you can trust it with your most sensitive information. Nanoleaf Lines Squared. Create your dream lighting setup with Nanoleaf Lines Squared. These color-changing LED bars offer a unique and innovative lighting experience with their modular form factor and RGB illumination. With over 16 million colors and dynamic lighting animations, you can customize your space to suit any mood or occasion. Whether you want to set the tone for a cozy night in, create a lively party atmosphere, or add a modern touch to your gaming setup, Nanoleaf Lines Squared has you covered. The rhythm music visualizer transforms your favorite songs into a mesmerizing light show, while the screen mirror feature extends the colors from your display to your surroundings, creating a truly immersive viewing experience. Installation is quick and easy thanks to the adhesive mounting tapes. No additional tools are required. Simply design your desired layout and you're ready to go. Nanoleaf Lines. Squared's endless customization options allow you to make any room uniquely your own. Smarty Pear, Leo's Lu2 Smart Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Give your cat the royal treatment with the Smarty Pear, Leo's Lu2 Smart Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This high-tech gadget provides an elevated experience for both you and your cat. Leo's Loo 2 uses UV rays to eliminate up to 99.9% of bacteria, parasites, and viruses, keeping your home cleaner and your cat healthier. Its triple-layer protection system includes a state-of-the-art radar, weight sensors, and an aerospace-grade anti-pinch sensor at the top of the waste drawer, ensuring the safety of your furry friend. This self-cleaning litter box features an improved waste drawer that is 58% larger than its predecessor, reducing the frequency of emptying and making maintenance a breeze. Its sleek, modern design blends seamlessly into any room. Control the litter box remotely with the connected smart home app, allowing you to adjust settings and receive notifications. Plus, it easily integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant, giving you hands-free control. Upgrade your cat's litter box experience with this smart self-cleaning gadget. It's a worthy investment for pet owners who want a cleaner, more convenient solution for managing litter. Govee Envisual TV Backlight T2. Make your TV watching experience more immersive than ever with the Govee Envisual TV Backlight T2. This innovative dual-camera light system captures the colors from your screen with impressive accuracy, enhancing your home theater experience. The Envisual TV Backlight T2 uses a zone division capture scheme to match the colors on your screen in real time. This ensures that the lighting effects complement what you're watching, creating a visually stunning and dynamic viewing experience. Control the backlight using Alexa or Google Assistant and enjoy 4 music modes: energetic, rhythm, spectrum, and rolling, to liven up your parties or add ambiance to your home. With multiple lighting modes and customization options, you can create the perfect atmosphere for movie nights, game sessions, and beyond. The T2's versatility makes it a must-have for any entertainment enthusiast looking to enhance their viewing experience. Amazon Halo Rise Smart Lamp. Achieve a great night's sleep without wearing anything on your wrist with the Amazon Halo Rise Smart Lamp and alarm clock. This advanced sleep tracker works seamlessly with Alexa, providing you with valuable insights into your sleep patterns. The lamp uses advanced sensors and machine learning to track your sleep and provide you with sleep reports on your Echo Show device. It can also measure temperature, humidity, and light levels to help you create the perfect sleep environment. The smart lamp features a unique sunrise wake-up feature that gently illuminates the room as you wake up, ensuring you start your day feeling refreshed and well-rested. It determines if you're in bed alone or with another person or pet and adjusts its sleep tracking accordingly. Its sleek design looks great on any nightstand, and its ability to integrate with your existing Echo devices makes it an essential part of any smart home setup. Say goodbye to waking up with jarring alarms and hello to a more natural, gentle start to your day. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Vacuum Cleaning has never been easier with the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional Upright Vacuum. This versatile vacuum is ideal for pet owners as it effectively picks up pet hair, loose debris, and more. The Lift-Away's detachable pod allows you to clean higher and more awkward spots like stairs and furniture with ease. It makes cleaning under furniture and other hard-to-reach areas a breeze, providing a comprehensive clean throughout your home. The vacuum's HEPA filter traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, ensuring that your home stays fresh and healthy. Additionally, the swiveling head enables smooth steering around tight corners and furniture, making cleaning less of a chore. With a generous 2.2-quart dust cup capacity, you can clean for longer without having to stop and empty it frequently. This, combined with the vacuum's ability to handle various surfaces such as carpets, hardwood floors, and tile, makes it a versatile and powerful cleaning tool. Say goodbye to dirt, dust, and allergens with the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Vacuum, a game-changer in home cleaning. Amazon Echo Dot Kids 5th Gen. Add a fun and educational touch to your child's room with the Amazon Echo Dot Kids 5th Gen speaker. With designs inspired by a dragon and an owl, this cute device appeals to children and offers integrated parental controls for safe usage. As a parent, you can set daily time limits and review activity from the parent dashboard, keeping you informed and in control. Alexa provides child-friendly responses and filters explicit songs, ensuring your child only hears content suitable for their age. The Echo Dot Kids gives your child access to a full year of Amazon Kids Plus, featuring books, games, and educational content tailored for ages 3 to 12. This makes learning and entertainment a breeze. Children can use Alexa to play songs, listen to bedtime stories, help with homework, set alarms, control smart lights, and more. The intuitive interface encourages kids to explore and learn, fostering creativity and independence. Overall, the Amazon Echo Dot Kids 5th Gen is a perfect addition to your child's room, offering a safe and fun way for them to enjoy audio entertainment and learning. Amazon eero PoE 10 Port Wired Gateway. Give your home the connectivity boost it deserves with the Amazon eero PoE 10 Port Wired Gateway. This advanced gateway features 10 Ethernet ports, including 2 10GBE ports and 8 2.5 GBE ports, offering exceptional wired connectivity for your network. Both 10GBE ports support wired speeds of up to 9.4 Gbps, allowing you to enjoy seamless, high-speed internet for all your online activities. The other 8 2.5 GBE ports provide ample connectivity options for devices throughout your home. The gateway's 8 PoE-capable 2.5 GBE ports minimize the need for a third-party PoE or switch, streamlining your setup and reducing clutter. Additionally, it includes a 140W USB-C power adapter that provides pooled power for your PoE systems. Setup is straightforward once you have your PoE infrastructure and access points installed. Simply follow the eero app's guidance to complete the setup and manage your network with ease. With this wired gateway, your home network will be faster and more efficient than ever, offering a top-tier online experience for all your devices.